we're doubled up, baby. He's a good one?
Yeah, he's a good one.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is David Cardoso. You guys are watching Native Outdoors. And guys, today, as you can see, we are on the boat, which if you guys saw my last video, we just got finished restoring it and we're taking it out for its first fishing trip today. So before we even pulled out of the dock, as we got in here, we realized that the mullet are actually running right underneath this dock. And so whenever you do find line bait, it's a good idea to get on them if you can. So while Manny and Dylan are doing that, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to tell you guys about Navalis apparel. As you guys can see, my hat I'm wearing right now, and actually my shirt as well, is all Navalis apparel. They are a company which makes their apparel out of bamboo. It is so breathable, it is so soft. I have not ever had any type of material softer than this, what I have on right now. If you guys are looking to buy any type of shirts or any type of outdoor wear for fishing, for boating, just for being out on the water, highly recommend. We do have a crew with us today. We got Mr. D-Lon himself and Manny. We're fixing to have ourselves a good day fishing, and you guys are riding shotgun. So we'll see you on the water. Alrighty guys, so we are officially anchored up at the first spot. Let's see how it goes. It's early. We got a good night ahead of us. Hoping for some good bites and some tight lines. All right guys, first one down. Manny on, let's go.
They're still here.
Get him, baby. Fight him. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Where's my fly box?
Fly box underneath the blue tarp. Woo-hoo-hoo. Come on, baby. You want me to get this out of the way for you? Here we got Manny with a jack.
Perfect size. Yeah.
Awesome, baby. Let's land him.
Okay.
Can I do the honor of landing you your fish, bro? Got him here. Yes, sir, baby.
Damn. Perfect hook set.
Good fight too, bro. Awesome. Ooh, hold on, Dylan's getting steezy with it. Dylan is getting steezy with it. Woo wee. All right, guys, let's see what this bad boy does. Manny, put this one up.
Find that anywhere near.
Dude, I wasn't even freaking paying attention. I was there talking to Dylan. Oh, I just popped off.
No way.
Yeah, my drag was too tight.
Yeah, you gotta play with it,
Hope my bait's still there, bro.
bro. Popping?
Oh yeah, dude. Hold on.
Okay, popping it.
No, I wasn't popping though. No, it shouldn't be frayed. That was definitely a jack, bro. Yeah, no, we're good. I just gotta get it out there again. Watch out, Brody. Dude, literally hit it right when I freaking hit the water. I was sitting there talking to Dylan. They're way out there though. Damn, this mullet already got freaking sucked up. It's missing half its tail. All right, where's this current going? Try real quick, man. All right, boys, down, down, down she goes. Where she goes, nobody knows. All right, If she starts ringing, someone better grab it.
I'm not touching that, bro.
Yo, we got Dylan with the prize catch. The old stonefish.
Who's got the pliers, bro? On a live mullet, dude? That's kind of fun.
He went for it. He was hungry. Yes, sir. On, baby.
We'll see if it's the bottom. You get in line?
I think I'm stuck.
You see? You might still be on though. You might have just
For
dug
sure.
the rock. There you
Oh.
go. There you go. He just came out. You gotta fight him up. I don't think it's very big.
No.
Baby mutton snapper. Or mangrove.
I'll take one.
That'd be 18.
This reel sounds like it's a
Mutton. Yeah, dude. That's a legal mutton. Yeah.
Little mutton on. Little mouton.
It's what, 18?
18, I believe.
Yeah. You might as well measure it. You never know.
100% we're gonna measure them.
Probably like 17.
Let's give him a little measure.
Fucking out there.
I'll tell you what, he freaking
Whoa.
absolutely disintegrated the hook. Has it gotta be 18?
I mean, you should
Bro, that mine's not right.
check it less. Like 14.
Yeah, it's right on the money at 14.
About 20 of them. Some of them not so legal. Still went home.
Well,
I mean,
he's a goner. All right, guys, so this is the Fish Rules app. If you haven't heard of it, basically, it knows where we're at based off our geo-positioning, longitude and latitude. And here you can look up exactly which fish you just caught. It'll tell you the season, which is open, the bag limit is 5, and it tells us the size, 18 inches. So good thing we let that one go. It was 14, and it's just a good way for you to know if you're legal or you're not, which is very important. Unfortunately, that one was pretty much gut hooked, so he might make it down, he might not. Nothing we can do about that, but as far as on the boat, we always want to stay legal. We have officially moved to night mode. That means docks. Dylan on with the ladyfish.
nice ladyfish.
That's a good ladyfish, bro. That's a good bait right there.
Well, there goes your nice clean boat.
You see him? Little ladyfish on. You guys gonna eat this too?
No.
Oh, there's a line?
Yeah.
That's what it is?
Yep.
Ladyfish?
Yep.
Not jack.
Probably a snook.
Yes, sir. That's a snook. Oh. 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 Double up. Double up. We're doubled up, baby.
Can't see anything about that.
We are doubled up, bro. Are you kidding me?
I don't feel like a terrible snook. If it's a snook.
Oh, it popped off. That's a snook, bro. Yes, sir.
Foul hook.
About the ugliest snook flipping the boat ever, but Ugliest snook catch ever.
How many snook have you caught?
That's a fair point. Let's see him, bro.
Little snook bait right there.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice.
It's like a bass, but in saltwater.
Permission to release.
You asking me or the fish?
Let's go. Let's go. Manny, you got the net? Manny, you got the net?
Oop. Just a little snook. Don't fall in. Can't get him in.
Hold on, hold on. Watch out, Dylan. Get him out from these rocks. Still?
Yo, watch this stick. Yo. Throttle.
Man, just focus on the boat, focus on the boat, focus on the boat, focus on the boat.
Roger snapping on the boat.
Focus on the boat. He's hooked good, so forget about him. Yes, sir. Let's go. What is this? Oh. Right on the side of the lip. Here it is, Manny. Perfect, boys and girls. Let's get a release on them because we're in a bit of a sketchy spot. You know when you slam those, it alerts the fish as to our whereabouts.
You know what it does?
Huh?
Is that what it does?
Yeah. Each time you slam them, freaking live well.
All the fish ones.
Let's go. He's a good one?
Yeah, he's a good one.
Good one?
Yeah, he's a good one.
Oh! Get another one on, baby. Get another one. Yeah, he was a good one.
Dude, that was keeper.
That was him, huh? Well guys, that is a wrap on our fishing video today. As you guys saw, we did a little bit better than last time. We were able to get on a few more snook and a few different species of fish. All in all, everybody was able to get something on the boat. So that is a successful day. And nonetheless, we had a ton of fun among friends and got to test out the new boat with all the new electronics, everything, the engine, everything performed flawlessly. But right now the boat is cleaned, washed, done for the night. It's currently 3:28 and I'm on my way home. Manny went home, Dylan went home, so everything is done. It was definitely a little bit hectic today. One of the takeaways that I definitely was able to realize is that I need to get on my trolling engine ASAP because it's a little difficult to control the boat with just the outboard while everybody's trying to fish and, you know, do stuff, but we managed. And then the other thing was that on some of the spots that we're fishing, the wind was blowing really hard, so it was like kind of difficult to control and film. You guys saw when I got hooked up there on that snook, you know, we were in a real rough spot. That's why I wasn't even able to like really try to focus on filming for you guys, because we were just wedged in a really uncomfortable and awkward position. But all in all, we made a great day of it, so no complaints there, and we're only gonna get better each time we go out. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Native Outdoors. If you did, make sure you give it a like, share it with your friends, and please, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe. It really helps me out and helps out the channel. I want to keep making these type of videos for you guys, so I appreciate all the support. That's it. You guys be good. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.